Hi, we're at the BMW PGA Championships 2018 and I'm not just in any i8s, I'm in the BMW i8 Roadster. And here what you can see is the roof going down in 15 seconds and that's operational for speeds of up to 30 miles an hour. Let's have a look at the interior. We've got the naturally tanned e-copper leather interior. It just looks so fresh. Digital instrument cluster, a stunning iDrive display, and also you've got the ceramic finish here on the gear lever and the iDrive controller. And that beautiful display key. Let's take you around the outside of the car. An exterior paintwork to complement the interior finish. BMW's e-copper, and it just looks gorgeous. If we have a look at the rear, you can see those beautiful buttresses making this car still look like a concept car for the road. Everything here you see painted in black is where the car is having a huge aerodynamic effect. Here you can see an integrated boot spoiler, and you also have the body color and also this lovely gray on the rear with a stunning black diffuser. We've got this iFlow stream design that retains with the i8 Roadster, and that's here where you can see the air moving through the vehicle. The 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheel just looks gorgeous as well, and that bicolor really sets it off. I'm going to take you to the front of the car, but before I do that, I'm going to show you how to charge the vehicle. The vehicle has 373 horsepower, got an extended pure electric range of 33 miles now, and that's all done through here. BMW's laser light just looks like jewelry. You can see the interior details and that blue line on the inside looking phenomenal. The sun is shining here at the BMW PGA Championships, and there's no other vehicle that I would rather be in than the BMW i8 Roadster.